Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountryshootcottage.net, here today with a video sponsored by PNC. So who's PNC? They're the bank that puts out the Christmas price index. So you may see it year after year. So basically they give a price to everything in the 12 days of Christmas, and it's a great way to learn about inflation and how things go up in price over time. So I'm actually doing 2 of the days. Today is day 8. So day 8 maids of milking. So how do you do a craft project with 8 maids of milking? I came up with a cute little milk bath gift. So it's in a milk jar and it's filled with milk bath that your gift recipient can use. Everyone loves a spa gift, right? So first we're going to see how to make this, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the index. The items needed to make this coconut peppermint milk bath is as follows. So you'll get some printable tags on thecountryshootcottage.net. You'll need something to stir it with. You'll need some milk bottles to add them to. You'll need some kind of twine, peppermint essential oil, a peppermint tea bag for each container that you're making, half a cup of powdered coconut milk, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and a 1/4 cup of baking soda, and then some kind of funnel to get your milk bath into the bottle. So we're going to start with the 1/4 cup of baking soda, and we are going to add about 5 drops of peppermint essential oil. We're going to stir that up really well. Then we are going to cut open the peppermint tea bag and add the entire contents to the baking soda mixture. Once again, stirring well. Then to that baking soda mixture, we'll add in our cornstarch. That was a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. And then we'll add in a half a cup of powdered coconut milk. And then just stir everything well. Once you've stirred everything up well, it's time to add the ingredients to your milk bottle. Add your funnel to your milk bottle and then start spooning in your coconut peppermint milk bath mixture. So to give it as a gift, just cut out both a gift tag as well as a jar topper. For the jar topper, we're just going to add some double-sided tape to the bag. We're going to pop it right on the lid of our milk bottle. And then for the tag, we can just tie it on. And then you can list who it's to and from when you give it for a gift. Be sure to make up plenty of these, as you are definitely going to want to give these to all your family and friends, as everyone loves a simple bath product around the holidays. So super simple, right? Easy to mix together, fairly simple ingredient. So I hope you enjoyed my spin on 8 maids of milking. Stay tuned because I also have day 11. So I'm also going to do a project on 11 pipers piping, and you don't want to miss it. So give us a thumbs up on YouTube. You can also head to the link in the description for this video and see some other great crafts for the other days of 12 days of Christmas. So you don't want to miss those as well. And subscribe so you don't miss that video about 11 pipers piping and see what I do with that as well. So thank y'all for joining me today.